In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, select Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to use Autofill with Google. So when I click my switcher and all of those features are gray, that means that Autofill is off, but you can always switch it on by clicking the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!